Hello, my name is Ranjani Chaudhary. Welcome to my third internship task of Sparks Foundation, which is Exploratory Data Analysis Retail. This task I have done using both Python and Tableau technologies. Now let's see what is this project about. The objective of this project is if I am the business manager of my company, then I have to check the weak areas of my company where I can make more profit. The dataset used here is of a retail store. Now let's see what are we going to see in this presentation. First we'll see whether discounts are having any impact on sales and profit. Then we'll see product category and subcategory wise analysis. Then we'll see state and city wise analysis. And finally we'll boil down to the conclusion of all these analyses. First, whether discounts are having any impact on sales and profit. Now from these graphs, we can observe that there is no relation between sales and discount and profit and discount. So we can come to the conclusion that discount is having no impact on sales and profit of the company. So uh, as a manager, I cannot keep the strategy of increasing the discount to improve my sales or profit, to attract more customers to buy, and as a result increase the sales of my company. So that strategy cannot be applied. Next we'll see product category wise analysis. Here we can see that furniture is the weakest product category in terms of profit gain. So we have to focus more on the furniture category. Now under furniture category, let's see which subcategory we have to focus on regarding the profit. Now in this graph we can see that the tables are showing loss. So we can come to the conclusion that the table subcategory is the weakest area as it is running in losses. In the state-wise analysis, we can see that the state of Florida is running a loss. So we have to focus on this state. Next, let's see what is the city-wise analysis saying. The city-wise analysis is saying that in Florida, Fort Lauderdale is the weakest city in terms of profit as it is running a loss. We can see that this green bar is Fort Lauderdale. Now finally, let's see what all conclusions we got from all this analysis. Firstly, as a business manager, I'll suggest that we need to focus on improving profits of furniture category. In furniture category, we have to focus on table subcategory because they are running a loss. Next, in terms of state and city, that is the hierarchy of geography, uh, we need to focus on the business of the state, Florida. In Florida, we need to check the profit of the city, Fort Lauderdale, as it is facing a loss. Also from the data, we can see that increasing discount will not solve my purpose of increasing profit as it has no impact on sales and profit of the business. So that was all about uh, the results of my Python analysis. Now let's see the Python code behind this analysis. Here is the code uh, from which we got the result which was shown in the presentation. Next, we'll see the analysis results which we have got from the Tableau analysis. Uh, Firstly, we'll check the state-wise analysis. We can see that in this state of Texas, there is a lot of loss. There is the highest loss over here. So the advantage of using this Tableau dashboard is uh, we can filter uh, state-wise the other units which are shown over here. Like when I'm selecting Texas, it's showing all the values of Texas all around. In Texas, we can see that Houston city is facing a lot of loss, and the product category office supplies is having a huge share of loss, and the product subcategory binders office, which falls under the category office supplies, is facing a lot of loss. Now let's see which is the most profitable state in the US. So we can see here California is facing a lot of profit. So we need not worry on improving the profit over here. We have to worry about the uh, improvement of profit of Texas, as it is facing a lot of loss. So in the state of California, the city Los Angeles is showing a lot of profit, and likewise the sales, and uh, amongst the product category we can see that the office supplies are showing lot of profit. So maximum share of profit is coming from office supplies. Here in product subcategory wise analysis, we can see that accessories is showing a lot of profit, compared to all other subcategories. So that was all about the first phase of the analysis. Now let's see the second phase of the analysis. The second phase is about segment-wise analysis of the subcategories. Now, amongst the subcategories, we'll see that which segment is showing a lot of sales. Like overall, we can see chairs are showing a lot of sales, and from this graph, we can see or we can compare the sales and profit of each of the subcategories. This line graph is showing the profit, the blue line graph, and the orange bar graph is showing the sales. So we can see that the chairs subcategory is showing maximum sales, but the maximum profit is shown by the copiers subcategory. Now let's filter and see the analysis. Now let's click on this blue part. Now the blue part is about consumer segment and subcategory chairs. So it's showing the maximum share, that is 52.6% amongst all the subcategories. And for this uh, segment, we can see the ship mode analysis. So the maximum profit is coming from the standard class over here, and the lowest profit is coming from the same day ship mode. And the least sale is coming from segment consumer and subcategory fasteners. If we click over it, then we can see that the profit is about 576.8 and sales is about 1681, and against that the ship mode analysis, we can see again standard classes making a huge profit. So all in all, we have to focus on the fasteners subcategory as it is showing less sales. And if we see the profit is also very low as the sales was also low. So we need to focus on this subcategory. So that was all about the retail store analysis. So that's it. Thank you.